This 2019 Keystone Montana 3791 road is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, awning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, air conditioning, oven, leveling jacks, slideout, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, front dinette, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Keystone Montana 3791RD is 13,900 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.